Here in the purification stage, we transform the raw bone materials into the refined compounds needed for modern medicine.
The bone material undergoes a critical heat treatment cycle within these specialized chambers, ensuring complete sterilization for medical use.
The journey begins with the raw material, processed through sterilization and precise mixture. The final stage.
Utilizing advanced separation techniques, the system isolates the calcium-rich powder from the mineral slurry with high precision.
Stored under immaculate cleanroom conditions, these sealed stainless steel vessels protect the purified minerals from any contaminants.
Here in the controlled reactors, the compounds are precisely agitated under strict supervision during the critical refinement stage.
The refined medicine base flows through the system, ensuring purity before reaching the primary bioreactor.
We track every vial from filling to final inspection. It's about maintaining the absolute integrity of the product and ensuring strict compliance.
We're seeing a slight variance on line 3.
It's within the acceptable parameters, but keep an eye on the throughput.
The workflow is seamless. Robotic precision handles the sorting and high-speed filling of hundreds of vials per minute. This lights-out manufacturing approach ensures precision around the clock, delivering efficiency at every stage.
The calibration system ensures every tablet meets stringent size requirements.
In this sterile environment, precision is paramount. Every vial and blister pack is inspected.
This customized foil feeding system ensures unparalleled precision, a vital step in our medical-grade packaging process.
This automated process guarantees the highest level of precision, ensuring that each vial contains the exact prescribed dosage. Decades of innovation culminate in this automated process, ensuring every vial meets the highest standards.
At the final destination, our automated storage and retrieval systems ensure sterile and highly efficient management of all medical supplies.
The robotic arm, designated A15, executes over 200 precise movements per minute, ensuring
The fully automated production line guarantees consistency and minimizes human error, ensuring the highest quality medical products. Utilizing advanced laser sintering, the robotic arms construct customized orthopedic implants with unparalleled precision. The automated line ensures precision at every step, from filling to final packaging. The completed medicine is now ready for distribution.
The advanced bone-based medicine is sterilized, sealed, and packaged here at the end of the line, ready for global distribution.
Clear on the left, watch the forklift.
Okay, bring it down right there. Let's move the empties next.
In a modern distribution hub, efficiency is key. Every package moves with precision through the supply chain.
Smooth workflow ensures that goods are constantly moving from inbound to outbound, maintaining the strict redistribution model.
Upon arrival, all shipments are immediately transferred to our sterile receiving area to ensure the integrity of the medical supplies.
This regional center is the heart of the operation, ensuring that vital medical supplies reach hospitals across the state efficiently and without delay.